Dear students, in the part 2 we have discussed some practical examples on this topic. Now here in part 3 we will discuss about more advanced examples on marginal costing. So my dear friends, let us understand this example. Sunny Limited Gurgaon has prepared the following budget estimated for the year 1920. Sales are 15,000 units, fixed cost rupees 34,000, sales value rupees 1,50,000, variable cost per unit rupees 6, and you are required to calculate first PV ratio, BEP sales and margin of safety. Second incidence, also calculate the effect of following, that is first decrease of 10% in selling price and second increase of 10% in variable cost. So let us understand how to calculate this. So while answering this question, the first we have to calculate PV ratio. What is the formula for calculating PV ratio? It is contribution upon sales into 100. If you have contribution in per unit or selling price in per unit, you can use that formula like contribution per unit upon selling price per unit into 100. In our example, we have the selling price in total and we have the variable cost per unit. So we will require to calculate selling price per unit first. How will you calculate selling price per unit? Sales value upon sales units. So sales value is rupees 1,50,000 and we have the selling units like 15,000 units. So our selling price per unit is rupees 10. Now for calculating contribution per unit, we require the formula, that is selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. We have already calculated the selling price, that is rupees 10. So we will put this 10 rupees into our example. So rupees 10 minus rupees 6. Hence our contribution per unit is rupees 4. Okay. Now let us use this formula into PV ratio. So rupees 4 upon rupees 10, that is contribution, that is rupees 4 upon rupees 10 into 100. So we will get the PV ratio is 40%. Okay. After calculating PV ratio, the next calculation we have to do is to calculate BEP sales. The formula is fixed cost upon PV ratio. In our example, we already have fixed cost of rupees 34,000 and just calculated PV ratio, that is 40%. In this way, we can get BEP sales is equal to rupees 85,000. After that, third point that we have to calculate is the margin of safety. So the formula for calculating margin of safety is actual sales minus BEP sales. We have actual sales in the example, that is rupees 1,50,000 minus just calculated BEP sales, that is rupees 85,000, and in this way we get margin of safety is rupees 65,000. After that, the second instance, that is decrease of 10% in selling price. So in this case we require to calculate PV ratio, BEP sales and margin of safety by reducing sales by 10%. So how we will calculate this? Original selling price per unit minus decrease of 10%. We have the selling price, that is rupees 10 minus 10% of rupees 10, it will be rupees 1. So our new selling price will be rupees 9, that is rupees 10 minus rupees 1. By using the calculated new selling price in the PV ratio formula, we will get our new PV ratio. So the formula is contribution per unit upon selling price per unit into 100, but contribution per unit is equal to new selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. Here, while considering the selling price, we will take rupees 9 as a new selling price minus already given variable cost per unit, that is rupees 6. In this way, we will get our new contribution, that is rupees 3 per unit. Now we will put these figures into our formula. So PV ratio is equal to rupees 3 upon rupees 9 into 100, and that's why it will come as 33.3333%. After that, the second calculation we require to do is to calculate BEP sales. Formula is fixed cost upon PV ratio. We have the fixed cost of rupees 34,000 and just calculated PV ratio, that is 33.3333. So we will use this 33.333 into our formula and we will get the new BEP sales, that will be rupees 1,02,000. After that, the next calculation is of margin of safety. The formula is again actual sales minus BEP sales. In our example, we have actual sales of rupees 1,50,000 and just calculated BEP sales of rupees 1,02,000. In this way, we will get margin of safety is rupees 48,000. Alright. Now the second instance, that is increase of 10% in variable cost. So firstly, we will have our original variable cost per unit and we will add 10% increase in the variable cost. So we will get rupees 6 as a original variable cost plus 10% of rupees 6, that is rupees 0.60. Hence our new variable cost will be rupees 6.60. But again we have to calculate contribution first. So contribution per unit is equal to selling price per unit minus the new variable cost per unit. We have the selling price per unit, that is rupees 10, minus this new calculated variable cost per unit, that is rupees 6.60. So again, deducting the new variable cost from the selling price, we will get contribution per unit as rupees 3.40. Let us again calculate PV ratio with the new variable cost and with the new contribution. So it will be rupees 3.40 upon rupees 10 into 100. It will come as 34%. Next is again calculation of BEP sales. Formula is fixed cost upon PV ratio. We have fixed cost, that is rupees 34,000 and new calculated PV ratio is 34%. So BEP sales we have got is rupees 1 lakh. And the next calculation is of margin of safety. Again we know the formula, actual sales minus BEP sales. So again actual sales as rupees 1,50,000 and just calculated BEP sales of rupees 1 lakh. In this way we can get the margin of safety of rupees 50,000. I hope you have understood this. Now let's move forward to another example. From the following cost data related to Maxwell India Limited, you are required to calculate BEP in units as well as in sales. Second, sales required to earn a profit of rupees 54,000. They are given the information, that is selling price per unit rupees 18, contribution per unit rupees 6 and fixed cost rupees 84,000. So firstly we will calculate BEP in units. For calculating BEP units we can use the formula, that is fixed cost upon contribution per unit. So there is a fixed cost of rupees 84,000 and contribution per unit is rupees 6. In this way, we can get the BEP units as rupees 14,000. After calculating BEP units, the next we are required to calculate is BEP sales. The formula is fixed cost upon PV ratio. But we have to calculate the PV ratio first. For that purpose, the formula is contribution per unit upon selling price per unit into 100. We have already given contribution per unit in the example, that is rupees 6, and already given selling price per unit, that is rupees 18, into 100, and we will get the PV ratio as 33.3333%. Hence, BEP sales is equal to rupees 84,000, which is fixed cost, upon 33.3333%, which is our PV ratio. We will get the sales as rupees 2,52,000. Okay. Now let's calculate the second question, which is sales required to earn a profit of rupees 54,000. As we know, in case of PV ratio, the formula is contribution upon sales. We can say that contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. So instead of using contribution, we can use fixed cost plus profit as our contribution. Hence, the formula will be fixed cost plus PV profit upon sales. We can use the figures, that is just calculated PV ratio of 33.3333 is equal to 84,000, which is our fixed cost, plus the desired profit of rupees 54,000 upon sales, because we have to calculate sales. So by cross multiplication, we can get sales is equal to rupees 1,38,000, which is addition of 84,000 and 54,000, upon PV ratio, which is 33.3333. We can get the required sales of rupees 4,14,000. Okay, I hope you understand this example. Let us understand the next example. Jindal Company Limited, Jamnagar provides you with the following cost details. Non-variable cost of rupees 2,000. Non-variable, that means it will be a fixed cost. Variable cost of sales is 60%. Total turnover is rupees 10,000. Total turnover means it is your sales. Net margin of rupees 2,000. Net margin, that means it is our profit. So calculate the following. First, break-even sales. Second, sales volume to earn a profit of rupees 6,000. Third, margin of safety when sales are rupees 25,000. Let us calculate this. As variable cost of sales are 60%, the PV ratio will be 100% minus 60%, that is 40%. Now, what is the logic behind this? If as compared to your sales, your variable cost is 60%, that means the remaining part denotes your profit. As we consider fixed cost as a period cost in marginal costing, the rest after deducting variable cost, it will be calculated as a profit. If we compare profit with the volume of sales, that is PV ratio, it will be 40% of total volume, because out of that total volume of 100%, the 60% it is a variable cost. Hence, remaining 40% will be our profit. So, the PV ratio in this given example will be 100% minus 60%, that is 40%. Let us calculate the first question, that is break-even sales. We know the formula, which is fixed cost upon PV ratio. So non-variable cost, that means our fixed cost is rupees 2000 upon, we have just calculated our PV ratio is 40%. So break-even sales will be equal to rupees 5000. Okay. Now second, sales volume to earn a profit of rupees 6000. We again know the formula as PV ratio is equal to contribution upon sales. But we can say that contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit upon PV ratio. So PV ratio is equal to fixed cost plus profit upon sales. By entering the available figures into the formula, we can get sales as equal to rupees 2000 plus rupees 6000, that is 2000 is our fixed cost plus 6000 is our desired profit. Upon PV ratio, we will get the sales of rupees 20,000. Now third is margin of safety when sales are rupees 25,000. Again the formula for margin of safety is actual sales minus break-even sales. In our example, we have actual sales of rupees 25,000 and we have the break-even sales of rupees 5,000. Hence, we will get our margin of safety is equal to rupees 20,000. My dear students, I hope you have understood the previous two examples. This is for your practice. The following information is obtained from Big Brand Limited, Bandra for the year ended 31st/3/2020. Sales 1 lakh units is equal to rupees 1 lakh. Marginal cost rupees 60,000. Fixed cost rupees 30,000. And you are required to calculate PV ratio, BEP, sales, and third, sales to earn a profit of rupees 15,000. And profit when sales amounted to rupees 1,40,000. So thank you very much and please practice it at your homes. Thank you once again.